Hello and welcome. This is the Eura Mobil Activa One 690 HB, a vehicle with an overcab and a really nice deep double floor. This thing here is going to cost you around €87,000, 7 meters long, 232 wide, 315 in height at its highest point. It's got an overcab up here, and then it's got a bed up there, and there's sleeping up here for two people, windows either side. So if you're driving the vehicle, you might want to sort of get through here and get into the main part. We've got a huge dinette here with a enormous table. That's nice. We've got 4 belted positions only in this vehicle. I think though it will take 6, so I'm not absolutely certain of that one. I think this, you make a bed up here as well, so you can actually sleep 6. Over here we've got this enormous kitchen, 3 burners, sink and storage up here. Here is the fridge, and here is the wardrobe, and more storage below. Bed here, window at both sides, and access is via a step which is there. Somewhat similar in my vehicle actually, because mind you, mine's got 2 steps, although I only tend to use 1. Here we've got the washroom with the toilet and shower. And show you from up here, this thing moves around, so if you're in the shower, you've got quite a lot of space down there. In fact, you get rid of the sink, and you put the sink back, whatever you want. Right, you can see here it's got compartments in the double floor. That's for access to storage or equipment which is actually held there. So let's now come out and have a look at this double floor, which we shall do now. Steps down, and okay, first actually we'll have a look in the garage. Enormous garage here. I think this will take, I think it takes 250 kilos of weight, but I don't know any vehicle off the top of my head of this size that's got such an enormous garage. There, if you can see that, that is what the double floor. You can't really see for obvious reasons. No reason to put lighting in a double floor, so there is firm. But that is the clever bit. That's what I think if you're a camper, should really be asking about and taking an interest in. Right, it's a 7-meter vehicle. It's got a bin in the door. It's got a window in the door, and let's come around to the front once more. So. I think in the past I've actually done in previous years versions of this. Okay, I do appreciate that there may be some minor changes, but in previous years I've done longer videos on this vehicle. I just want to do now something short and quick. And so I'm at a caravan salon in Dusseldorf, and I come here every year. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. I upload every day at 21:15, so this is the largest selection of vehicles on YouTube. Thanks very much for watching, and all the best from me in Germany.